Hi, this is me, Dr. Saifullah. I welcome you to the Excel Hacks for Business Professionals. Have you ever worked with large datasets and need a quick way to find specific information? That's where VLOOKUP comes in. This powerful Excel function simplifies your data analysis by helping you retrieve information from a table based on a lookup value. In this video, we will explore why VLOOKUP is an essential tool for anyone working with data. From finding product details to matching customer information, VLOOKUP saves time, minimizes error, and enhances productivity. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how it works, but also see how easy it is to apply in real-world scenarios. So whether you are a student, a business professional, or an Excel enthusiast, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive in and see the magic of VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is one of the Excel's most versatile and powerful lookup functions. It is ideal for quickly finding and retrieving data when your information is organized into vertical columns. With VLOOKUP, you can search for a value in the first column of your data table and return a corresponding value from any other column. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine we have a table containing a list of employees. We have employee ID, name, gender, educational level, job experience, and salary. We have a data of 100 employees. You might have data of thousands of employees. The working of VLOOKUP will be same for any number of employees. Using VLOOKUP, we can locate employee information based on employee ID. If you want to work through the example with me, you can download the example file and you will find the link below in the description box. We want to retrieve employee name and its salary based on employee ID. So we will write any number in employee ID and Microsoft Excel will provide employee name and salary. Let's suppose we enter 26 in employee ID and in the name we will apply VLOOKUP function, and to perform VLOOKUP we will press equal to VLOOKUP, start the parenthesis, and we have four different parameters: VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, column index numbers, and range lookup. Lookup value is the value you want to search for in the first column of your table. For example, we will use the employee ID, that is 26, and we have entered it in employee ID column. So we will select lookup value. The next is table array. This refers to the range of cells containing your data. Ensure the range includes the column you are searching and column with the values you want to retrieve. But for simplicity, we will select the complete table here, comma, column index number is used to tell Excel which column to pull the data from, and we want the data from the second column. Employee ID is the first column, name is the second column, so we will enter 2, comma, and we have two options in the range lookup. This determines whether you need an exact match or an approximate match. Enter false for an exact match ensuring accuracy, or true for an approximate match, and we will press 0 to select false, that is exact match. Close the parenthesis, press enter. So we get the employee name Emily Young. At 26 serial number, we can see that the employee name is Emily Young. Next we have to find the salary, and to find salary we will repeat the same procedure, that is equal to VLOOKUP, start the parenthesis, select employee ID, comma, and then we have to select the table array. We have selected our table, comma, and next we have to specify the column that we want to retrieve. The salary column is at 6th number, so we will select 6, comma, and 0 for exact approximation. Close the parenthesis, press enter. So we get the salary of Emily Young, that is $1,300. This example highlights how simple and effective VLOOKUP can be for managing and analyzing data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials. If you have any questions related to finance and financial modeling, you can contact us. We will try our best to provide you best solutions. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.